Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we're making chicken marsala. Look, I was looking at the TV the other day and one of my videos popped up. And it looked a little serious in the intros and I don't like that. We're not too serious over here. Like, I'm really a jokester, like in real life. And I don't take everything too serious. So, I need to start showing y'all behind the scenes of what be going on because I be stressing. Because it be a lot. So, I'm going to do a bloopers video. I'm going to show y'all the bloopers, okay? So, just be on the lookout for that. But anyways, make sure y'all get y'all cookbooks on Amazon. You can search my name or the title of the book, Get Cooking and Keep Cooking. And without further ado, let's get into it.
Gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't want to keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love.
Okay, y'all, so I did say I was going to start trying to tell y'all what we got going on here. So, what we do have here is some Marsala cooking wine. We have some parsley, some garlic, about 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 shallot. If you don't have a shallot, just use an onion. It ain't that deep. We got about 1/3 cup of, what is this? Heavy whipping cream. Some chicken stock, about a cup, but I got some more just in case I might need some. We got chicken thighs. Now, y'all can use chicken breasts, but y'all know we prefer chicken thighs over here. Anyway, we can switch it up to get chicken thighs. We're going to do chicken thighs. We got the seasonings. We got seasoning salt, Italian, black pepper, and some garlic. And a little bit of cayenne just for a little bit of spice, but not too much. And then we have our bella mushrooms. This was just one of the little small packs. I think I paid like $1 for them and I just cut them up. And then this is how much I got. If you do not like mushrooms, this is probably not going to be the meal for you. Okay? So we do have some olive oil, some soy sauce. I think we got garlic powder. I think I probably said that. Chicken bouillon and some butter. Okay? Let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to start by seasoning this chicken, y'all. And what we're going to do, look at this beautiful blend. I wish y'all can see it. It's a beautiful blend of seasonings. Season the top part and then also season the bottom part with the same. I probably need to get some more because I really didn't know how much I was going to need for this. You just press that in. I like to press it in because y'all know when y'all pick the chicken up and the seasoning just roll right off. Yeah, we don't want to have none of that. So we're just going to flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, so now that we got it all seasoned, we're going to take it over to the stove and we're going to shallow fry it, I guess you could say. Y'all can put this in some flour, some seasoned flour if y'all want to, but I'm gonna stay away from that today. And I'm just going to sear it just like this. Alright, y'all, so we're going to start with some oil. And we're just going to get enough to cover the bottom. And we're just going to add a little butter. We're going to go ahead and just add our chicken in there. And so y'all, we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes on each side. After that, now we're just going to flip it. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so now we just want to remove the chicken. So if you have too much oil in here, you would want to drain off some of this, but this is just a good amount. So we're going to leave this in here. I'll turn our heat down and we're going to add our shallots or onions and our mushrooms. Add a little bit of butter. Now that we got it caramelized a little bit, y'all can see it change color and all of that. Got a little smaller. What we're going to do is season it a little bit with a little bit of Italian. A little bit more. A little bit of chicken bouillon. A little bit of garlic powder. and some black pepper. Okay. Gonna get that all mixed in. Then we're gonna add our garlic. Okay, now I'm gonna throw in a couple sprigs of thyme just for a little bit. If y'all have dried thyme, y'all can use that, but I'm just gonna put this in there for a couple minutes and then take it out just for the flavor. Okay. Alright, you just wanna remove it. Leave as much as you can behind. Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna go in with our Marsala wine. This is what I'm using. We're gonna use about a half a cup, but use what you want, okay? Use what you want. Then we just increase the heat, okay? And begin to deglaze the bottom of the pan. We're gonna cook this in for about a minute or two so that we can cook off that wine, okay? Okay, y'all, so we're gonna add about a cup of chicken stock. Then, y'all, we just gonna bring this back to a boil before we add in the heavy cream, okay? Okay, now that we have it back to a boil, y'all, we're gonna add in our 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Now, y'all can use whole milk or half and half, whatever you got. Now, we're gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes. So, y'all, I did forget to show y'all this because I had regular soy sauce, but I decided to use this mushroom soy sauce instead. And this is just to give it a little bit of color, a little bit more flavor. You could use browning if you have some, or regular soy sauce, but I'm gonna use this. You want to get that dark color. Now, I'm going to add this parsley. And I'm going to save some for garnish, y'all. Alright, so after about 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add that meat back in there. Alright, we're just going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. Marsala sauce. And just add you some parsley. I forgot to tell y'all that y'all can cook this with some mashed potatoes, some rice, or even with some pasta, okay? Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. Do not forget that the grocery list is in the description below. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!